These are the 5 critical things you need to know before starting a YouTube channel this year. And here's the shocking fact. Over 500 hours of videos are uploaded to YouTube every single minute. But let me tell you something even more shocking. Most new YouTube channels fail within the first 3 months. But today's your lucky day, because I'm going to show you exactly how to avoid being one of these people. So stick around to the end of this video, because the 5th strategy I'm going to share with you is a complete game changer that most creators are not even using yet. So guys, let's actually talk about statistics when it comes to YouTube for the year. A platform like YouTube has over 2.7 billion, yes, billion monthly active users. Also, when it comes to creators, only 3% of creators on YouTube actually have above 10,000 subscribers. Yes, 3% of creators have above 10,000 subscribers. Also, in terms of views, which is actually very important for every one of us to know, average video on YouTube has between 100 and 200 views. Yes, that's it. And guys, when it comes to the big creators and time frame, it takes big creators between 2 to 3 years to actually get to 100,000 subscribers. So if you're new to this a year or 2 years in, just relax and keep going. These numbers are actually very, very important for you, for me, to actually know what and who we're up against. And also, in our progress, we can actually gauge and rank ourselves. Let's talk about channel types. This is where most people actually mess up their channels. They start by uploading without knowing exactly what type of channel they want to be. You need to know what kind of channel you want to be. So let me break this down for you quickly when it comes to YouTube. There are different types of channels. For instance, we have education, like what I'm doing right now. I'm teaching you something. We also have entertainment. We all know that. We have news and commentary, CNN and the likes. We have tutorials, how to cook, how to do whatever. We have vlogs and lifestyle, and we have reviews, people that review things and your books there. So those are the different channel types. But here's the key thing. You need to pick one primarily and stick to it for at least 6 months. Yes. Why? Because the YouTube algorithm loves consistency. They need to see a pattern in your channel. So a quick exercise for you is this. Grab a piece of paper and write down these few things. What are you passionate about? First things first. What are you good at? Second thing. And also, what do people ask you for help about? For me, it's mostly video editing and social media. So that's how I have this channel. So wherever the overlaps is, that's actually what you need to talk about. So comment the channel niche below. So guys, understanding CPM. It's time to talk about money. What does CPM mean? Cost per mile or cost per 1,000 views. Yes, YouTube pays you this for 1,000 views. And this depends on multiple things. First and foremost, your country, your niche or industry, and the time of the year. Yes, time of the year. And here's what you need to know when it comes to industry. Finance, they pay about $15 to $30 for 1,000 views. Tech, about $8 to $15. Gaming, about 2 to 5. Yes. And entertainment, about 3 to 8 when it comes to CPM. So this varies based on your industry. But here's actually what most people don't even tell you. Your actual earnings when it comes to YouTube depend mostly on retention and not just views alone. Yes, retention. The longer people watch your videos, the more ads they see in the video. The more ads they see in your video, the more money you make. You're making money based on views and also based on ads. So yes, guys, make sure your video is actually optimized for retention. Retention, very, very, very important. The more ads people see, the more money you make. Content quality and consistency. Guys, here's the truth. Good enough is not good enough anymore when it comes to YouTube. Yes, but relax. I'm not talking about you buying expensive cameras or whatever. I'm just shooting on my phone right now. But guys, the quality has to be good. First things first, audio. Audio is even more important than video. People need to hear what you're saying. Also, engaging first 30 seconds. Straight up value. No like and subscribe or whatever. Also, constantly change patterns. Change camera. Bring different things in. And also a strong hook. Call to actions and things along that line. And finally, guys, I cannot emphasize this enough. Consistency. Consistency. You need to have the content calendar. At least 1 video per week. Same day, same time. And finally, my secret hack, let me give it to you. Batch record when possible. Today, I'm shooting right now. I'm going to shoot about 6 or 7 videos today, edit them, and just schedule them. That way, I'm probably just recording once in a week, twice in a week, and do other things. That's just very, very important for consistency's sake and also quality. Guys, finally, AI. AI is a secret weapon, and that's literally just changed everything when it comes to YouTube. I use it, you need to use it, and this is actually how I use it when it comes to content creation. So for example, when it comes to scripting, a scripted video, so everything can be in order. I use ChatGPT or Claudia AI, and there are many other tools you can use. When it comes to thumbnail, I use a tool like Dreamina. You can check. I have a video on it on the channel when it comes to how to create thumbnails with Dreamina. Video editing, I use CapCut, or you can use paid tools like Runway. And also title optimization and SEO, use tools like VidIQ. AI is so important. Remember, AI is not a replacement. It's just to help improve your video quality and also help creativity come easily. Use AI wisely. I'm telling you this, use AI wisely when it comes to YouTube. So yes, if you like this video, thank you so much for watching this far. Kindly check out this video right here also, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.